Okay, students, good morning. Now we are starting the fourth question of exercise 5.2. Now see what the question is. Which term of AP, this is the AP, which term of this AP is 78? Now we can clearly see one thing, that this is the first term. First term we call it as A. First term is 3. Difference is T2 minus T1, means 8 minus 3, that is 5. And this term is what we call Tn, equal to 78. Which term means which number of term? It means we need to find n. Now see, to find n we can use this formula. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, that is the formula. Now Tn is 78 is equal to a is 3. We need to find this n, and d is 5. Okay, now take this 3 left side. 70 plus 3 become minus 3 is equal to n minus 1 into 5. Now 78 minus 3 is what? 75 is equal to n minus 1 into 5. Now we need to find this n, so we can take this 5 into left side. Okay, now 5 and n minus 1 are in multiply, so it will convert into divide. So 75 divided by 5 is equal to n minus 1. Now take this minus 1 here on left side. 75 divided by 5 is what? 25. Minus 1 become plus 1 is equal to n. Now n equal to 25 plus 1 means 26. So that will be the value of n. Okay, now we will go for the next question. Okay, now this is the next question. Find the number of terms in each of the following APs. Number of terms means another time we need to find n. Now we have two different APs here. I am doing here this second question. Okay, this first question is for you, for homework. Try to do it yourself. I'll explain you this second one. See, in this second question, the first term is 18. So we can say A is 18. Okay, now what is D? D is T2 minus T1. Before doing T2 minus T1, let's convert this from mixed fraction to simple fraction. Now 15 2s are 30 and 1 means 31 divided by 2 minus 18. So D becomes, let's take the LCM of 2. 31, 18 2s are 36. Now 31 minus 36 is minus 5 divided by 2. So we found D. Now this is what we call nth term, means Tn is minus 47. We need to find n. So we will do the same process here. Formula for Tn, same formula, a plus n minus 1 into d equal to minus 47. Now put the value of a. A is what? 18. We need to find this n. Okay, value of d is minus 5 by 2 is equal to minus 47. Now take this 18 here, plus 18 becomes minus 18, and here, okay, let's first of all do this. 47 plus 18 becomes minus 18 here, and if you multiply this Now it is positive and it is negative. So in multiply we will do plus minus minus. Okay. 5 by 2, and here we have n minus 1. Now 47 and 18 we have same sign, both are negative, so we are going to add them. Okay, now 47 and 18, I think 47 and 18 is 66, 65. Okay, so it is 65. So we will write it here, minus 5 by 2 into n minus 1 equal to minus 65. Okay, we can cut this minus from both sides. If I take this 5 by 2 here, okay, this 2 is in divide, so it will convert into multiply here. 65 multiply by 2, and 5 is in multiply, so it will convert into divide. Okay, it will change into divide. Here remaining part is n minus 1. Now n minus 1 equal to, if I cut here, 13 5 is a 65. Okay, and 13 2 is a 26. Minus 1 becomes plus 1, so it will be 27. Okay, what does it mean? It means that if we take all these terms, then total terms from this to this is 27, and it also means that this minus 47 is the 27th term of the AP. Okay, this is the meaning of this n. It is just like your roll number. Okay, roll number of minus 47 is 27 in this AP. We can call it like this. Okay, in next video we will discuss some other examples. Okay, till then watch this video, do subscribe my channel and like my video if it is helpful to you to understand the concept. Thank you.